राज का पता लगाने के लिए भारत के पहले PSLV-C57 आदित्य-L1 सैटेलाइट को बिलाखिर लॉन्च कर दिया गया। 11:50 पर इस सैटेलाइट को लॉन्च किया गया। आदित्य-L1 सैटेलाइट जो सूरज का मुताला करने के लिए पहला खला पर मबनी भारतीय सैटेलाइट है। इस सैटेलाइट को आंध्र प्रदेश के श्रीहरिकोटा स्पेस सेंटर से लॉन्च किया गया।
निकल चुका है सूर्य के तेज से विज्ञान को प्रकाश।
Government of India for providing a great opportunity for the solar and heliophysics community of the country. Both solar, heliophysics as well as astronomy thrives on data. More the data you have, we get more understanding about the system. And Sun is our own star, our dearmost star, so understanding them is much more important for our everyday life. So this mission, Aditya, when it was conceived initially, with a support from our Professor U.R. Rao, along with Dr. Srikumar and Professor G. Srinivasan, we made sure that we will have a unique data set which is not available from any other missions internationally. So the 7 payloads, what was conceived for this particular mission, will provide a unique set of data which is currently not available from any other missions, which will provide us new insight into the solar and heliophysics community in India, and provides some important aspects like the initiation of the coronal mass ejections, the speed at which it gets initiated, and some wave bands which are very important for the Earth ionospheric connections, like near ultraviolet band, and the high energy particles, which is high energy radiations as well as particles which is coming from the solar flares and coronal mass ejections. So these are the informations which would be available from this particular mission.
First of all, let me tell you that Aditya-L1 is a multi-wavelength, multi-instrument and multi-directional mission. Multi-wavelength because it works in X-rays, UV and visible. Multi-instrument because there are 7 experiments on board, and multi-directional because it looks not only in the sun direction but also around it. Now when the sun becomes angry, there are 2 types of process which happens. One is solar flares, that means electromagnetic radiation which reaches the earth in 8 minutes. But along with that, there is a mass which is also ejected out in form of plasma, and that can take about 2 to 4 days to reach the earth. What we are looking for from the Aditya-L1 mission is to see the impact of solar flares as well as coronal mass ejections as they come to the earth.
We have delivered one of the major payloads on this mission. This is the visible emission line coronagraph. So if you actually look at the words used in it, it is visible because it is seeing the sun in the visible wavelength. Emission line, so what is it detecting? It is the emission line of certain elements. Because the corona is hot, the emission which you get is in the terms of, it's not absorbing the light which is coming from the sun, but it's already hot, so it is coming down by emitting lines. So we are tracking these lines using what? A coronagraph. Now what is a coronagraph? This instrument makes a total solar eclipse all the time within the instrument. So you are looking at the sun all the time, 24/7 through using this mission.
और जम्मू कश्मीर बीजेपी के सदर रविंद्र रैना ने हिंदुस्तानी साइंसदानों को आदित्य-L1 मिशन के कामयाब आगाज पर अपनी मुबारकबाद पेश की। उन्होंने इस लॉन्च को तारीखी करार देते हुए कहा कि इससे साबित होता है कि भारत चांद पर कामयाबी के साथ